Lower your handicap with these amazing golf tips. Ready to get on the green and swing at your first golf ball? Many people just don't know what to do or where to start with this sport known as golf. Don't worry though, because this video has your back. Below are some tips and tricks that can get you started with the basics of golf. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you wear relaxing clothing that enables you to move freely. This is important because if any part of your swing is impeded by your clothing, you will not be in your best form. Make sure that it also is not too loose, so that you do not risk getting caught up in your shirt during your swing. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to consider changing your practice environment. This can be helpful because sometimes all it takes is a change of scenery for you to either notice a way to improve your game or get yourself out of a rut. Even if you have to travel farther, it may just be worth it. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to tell yourself that each shot is the most important shot you will ever take. This is a fantastic brain trick that will cause you to focus and perform your best on each and every stroke. You may even wish to imagine yourself in a critical situation such as at a tournament. When you putt, have your left hand in front of the ball. You also want to do your best to maintain this position and form while you swing your club. This helps to keep the ball from bouncing too hard off the club face, and will also hold the club firmly in your grasp. Every good golf game should include a few experimental shots. Complacency is the enemy of constant golfing improvement. The golfer who remembers to challenge him or herself somewhere in every round is one who continues to refine his or her skills throughout a golfing career. There is always something new to try out on the links. With these tips floating through your thoughts, you ought to be ready to take on the green and swing that golf ball into the hole. It does take some practice and some patience, but if you keep at it, it is indeed achievable. So, go out there, enjoy yourself, and keep swinging. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.